condition called as resonant condition in which XL, the inductive reactance, is exactly equal to the capacitive reactance. XL is equals to XC. That is a special situation, right? So we don't require all these things to perform this experiment, but just for the time being, you understand what is the definition of impedance, how to calculate impedance to perform this experiment. Later on in the theoretical classes, we'll see this series resonance and parallel resonance with their derivations. Okay?
Ma'am, we will write the theory also.
No. You don't need to write theory in the practical report. You will write experiment number, title, objective. Then you will draw the apparatus table. That means this device under test, equipments, instruments required. Nitu madam will help you to tabulate this table.
We will write the quantity 1 only.
Where? Yeah, yes, sure.
Type RL or RC, that type.
No. Type means if you write here name of the device variac, here you will write quantity 1, here you will write auto transformer.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
A rating?
The rating will be provided by Nitu madam. Nitu madam
Okay.
will help you to write this table, to complete this table, this equipment table, apparatus table. Okay. After that, you will draw the circuits. I think in the classroom already the circuit diagrams are there. You will draw 3 circuit diagrams, RL series, one for RC series, one for RLC series. And below the circuit diagram, you will draw these data tables. One table for RL series, one table for RC series, one table for RLC series. Actually, 2 tables are required. In the first table, you will write down the voltage and current readings, and in the next table, you will calculate the parameters using these amperes and voltage values. So 2 tables for each circuit.
Will you please repeat about the table?
See, look at the first table under RLC series circuit. Here you will write down the values VS, voltage, I ampere, VR, VL, VC, VRL, etc. from the meters. Right?
Okay.
From the meters, and I will show you the readings today in the class. Right? And from these readings, you will calculate R as VR by I, ZL as VL by I, XL as under root ZL square minus R square, Z as VS by I, and phi as, not phi, cos phi as R by Z. Okay, because phi is cos inverse of R by Z. Cos phi as R by Z. So, okay, here it is written cos phi. You need to write cos phi, okay? This cos phi is nothing but your power factor, right? Cos phi is nothing but your power factor. So, maybe in the classroom, this is in the table, it is written as phi. Please rectify. This will be cos of phi. Power factor is cos of phi equals to R by Z. It is clear to everyone? And
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, below the
Yes, ma'am.
observation table,
Yes,
you will
ma'am.
write the conclusion. 2 or 3 lines about the experiment. Okay. So up to this, everything is cleared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
let me show the experiment. Now first I will show you the setup, the panel that we have in the lab. This is actually, I'm showing the instrument setup placed in our basic electrical lab. You can see this is called a panel. This brown colored plane. It is called a panel because all the instruments are basically mounted on this panel. See, the title is written over the panel, steady state response of RL, RC and RLC circuit. All these are digital instruments. Digital instruments, see, this is ammeter, this is voltmeter. See, after VAC is written, can you read it? After VAC is written, that means all are AC instruments. And below AC, a symbol like a sinusoidal symbol is there below A. That means this is an AC meter. This is also another type of symbol showing that this is an AC meter, AC instrument. Because in ammeters and voltmeters can be of DC type also. For DC circuit, we need DC instruments. So both DC ammeter, DC voltmeters and AC ammeters, AC voltmeters are available. Right? They are mainly classified as moving iron instruments and moving coil instruments. Moving coil means the DC instruments. Moving iron means AC instruments, and sometimes moving iron instruments can be used for a DC circuit also. But these are digital instruments. That is a special category. Instruments can be of many types. Specification is moving iron equal. That is separate issue. That is only possible in case of analog instruments. There are specific symbols by which one can recognize moving iron or moving coil type instruments, but those are analog instruments. Here, all these are digital instruments. Now look at the setups, the devices. These are rheostats. Two rheostats are placed on the table. These are the knob or the arrows as per the circuit diagram I have shown you earlier. So you can vary this knob, right? By varying this, you can vary the resistance. Okay, this is the inductor that we'll use in this experiment. This is nothing but a transformer, a core type transformer that has two windings, primary and secondary, means it is having coils or windings that could be used as the inductor or inductive coil. Because the transformer is nothing but a coil. Since two coils are required here, so basically we apply the concept of mutual inductance. So instead of using a single coil or single conductor, here basically two coils are coupled by common magnetic field. That is transformer actually. We'll see that in the next module. DC machines, in the next module, we'll learn what is a transformer. So just for the time being, you try to understand the transformer is an inductance. It is an inductive coil that will be used here in this experiment to represent this AL. See in the panel, two terminals are registers are say for rheostat 1 and for rheostat 2 it is marked with this green color terminal as RF. Okay, so for rheostat, for this inductive coil, for this inductor, two terminals are there for L, right? And for C, this is the electrolytic capacitor given. I will connect this capacitor. Actually, at the back of this panel, the terminals, the end and the initial and the final terminals of this coil, this capacitor, and these rheostats are connected with these terminals, right? So that is the advantage of panels, panel mounted circuit diagrams. It is not required to connect the elements directly to the circuit, right? They are already connected internally. And this is the auto transformer, this box. This is the variac, single phase variac, because we are using single phase supply. So definitely a single phase variac is required here. For three phase circuit, we have three phase variac. So we can use either three single phase variac or three phase variac for a three phase circuit. Okay. So these are the instruments, the ratings and specifications, quantity, mechanism, everything will be provided by Neetu madam. Okay. See how it looks like after the connections. All these green, blue, yellow colored wires are basically cables or connecting wires through which we will connect the variac, inductor, capacitor, rheostat, and instruments. Yes. Okay, this is a case where the circuit is under operation. So we'll check all the parameters, like the values as shown in the meters. This is the case for RC series type circuit. So for RC series circuit, this voltmeter, this digital voltmeter is showing the VR value, voltage across resistor. This is showing VL, this is showing VC, and this is showing VRL, right? This is V is the supply voltage. This voltmeter is showing the supply voltage. And the first one is showing the supply current. See, there is no connection with these two meters. Top row, the middle two. These are not connected. So the values are 0. They are not in operation. So 0 values are showing by them. Fine. And also this and this VRL and VL are not required because we are doing this one for RC series. So definitely L is not there. So VL and VRL will be absent. So only we have VR, the voltage across resistor, and voltage across capacitor. Right? So book later on you will note down all these readings in the fair data sheet. Okay, so for the timing you just note down Vs equal to 50 volt, I 0.30 ampere, (0.30 ampere) is the source current, 50 volt is the source voltage, right? VR 30 volt and VC 39 volt. Okay. For RC series, just at the top you give the heading as RC series circuit. So for RC series circuit, the Vs is 50 volt, Is the source current. It's a series circuit, so same current will be flowing through both R and C. So I source is 0.3, 0.3, it's not 30 ampere, 0.30 ampere. VR is 30 volt, VC is 39 volt. Okay? Have you all noted down these readings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine. Now let me show you the same thing for RL series circuit. Just write the heading RL series circuit, and see in this case the supply voltage is kept fixed at 50 volt. 50 volt supply voltage is 50 volt. What is the supply current? 0.28 ampere. Supply current is 0.28 ampere. What is VR now? 28. What is VL? 37. Right? And what is VRL? 47. 47. Okay. So again, I'm repeating: Vs 50 volt, Is 0.28 ampere, VR 28 volt, VL 37 volt, and VRL, the voltage across the coil, 47 volt. Done?
Ma'am, can you repeat the last two readings?
VL 37 volt,
Yeah.
VR 47 volt, 47.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, fine. And next is RLC series. So for RLC series, again you note down Vs the supply voltage 50 volt, 50 volt, source current 0.44 ampere, this one, source current 0.44 ampere, this one, supply voltage is 50 volt. And for RLC series circuit, VR is 44 volt, VR is 44 volt, VL is 59 volt, VC is 57 volt, VC is 57 volt, and VRL is 76 volt. Can anyone tell me from these readings, can we conclude that the circuit is more inductive? The circuit is more inductive. Can we conclude that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the reason behind this statement? The circuit is more inductive.
VRL is greater.
With respect to what?
Capacitive or and inductive.
VL is 59 volt, VC is 57 volt. That means VL is higher than VC here. Right? So it's a series circuit, same current is flowing through R, L, and C. Right? But VL is greater than VC. That means XL is greater than XC. XL is the inductive reactance, XC is the capacitive reactance. So definitely my circuit is more inductive. Okay? So this type of conclusion you can make after this data table, or any special observation if you feel you can write there. Okay. Now let me show you the video, how to connect the circuit with the wires. Okay, it's a small video, but let me open it. Okay, please let me know whether the audio and video both are visible and audible.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ammeter 2 or resistance. Resistance to area. into C. C2 get neutral. The supply voltage voltmeter. VR. VA. VC. VRE.
Okay, can you hear me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the way by which we will connect the rheostat, inductor, and capacitor with the panel or with the terminals shown in the panel. Fine. After this connection, what you will do, you will vary, follow my cursor, you will vary the knob of the variac, and by varying it, you will fix the voltage, the supply voltage at 50 volt. And whenever the voltage is set at 50 volt, we'll vary the rheostat knob, we'll fix a resistance at a particular value. They're fixed over here. The only thing we can vary the resistance because the variable resistance or rheostat has been taken here in this experiment. So we'll fix the supply voltage, we'll vary the rheostat, and we'll take all the readings as shown earlier. For RC, we'll consider the necessary readings. We'll take the necessary readings from these voltmeters and ammeters. For RL, we'll take the necessary readings. For RLC, we'll take the necessary readings from the instruments. And further, with those data, we'll calculate the other parameters like impedance and power factor. So in this table, for RL series circuit, for example, you will write PS, I, PR, PL, PRL, whatever I have shown you earlier from the snapshot. Okay. And then with this VR and I, you will calculate R. With this VL and I, you will calculate ZL, and so on. Now, finally, with R and Z, Z is the equivalent impedance, right? Which is PS by I. So you will calculate the power factor, cos theta. Power factor equals to R by Z, right? Is it okay with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So actually what is showing in this video, how to connect. These two are terminals for the voltmeter connected across the resistors, right? So this is actually connected across the R. As you have seen just now, that someone has joined these two terminals with these two terminals, or someone has joined these two terminals, the terminals for the voltmeter, to measure VL. So this voltmeter must be connected across these two terminals, which are the terminals for the inductance, right? So in the diagram, please go back to the diagram. In the diagram, what you will do, suppose this is the voltmeter marked as VR in this figure. This is VR. So in your diagram, this is VR. So what you will do with the cable or wires, you will join this terminal with the initial terminal of resistance and this terminal with the end terminal of the resistance. Okay. Similarly, you will join VL with this inductor. You will join VC with these two terminals. You will join VRL with these two terminals. Right? So that voltage across this coil can be measured. You will connect this ammeter in series with the circuit, in series with the RLC circuit. If it's an ammeter, we cannot join ammeter in parallel with the circuit. Always we need to connect ammeter in series with the circuit. We need to connect voltmeter in parallel with the circuit. See here across the variac, the voltmeter is connected. Across the variac. Let me show you. One thing, yes, this is the variac. See, this is these two terminals. One is called the positive terminal, one is called the ground terminal or negative terminal. As shown in this diagram, this is the variac phase terminal or neutral terminal, P or N. This phase terminal always marked with the terminal with the letter capital N. Fine. So suppose this is the phase terminal, this is the neutral terminal. So these two terminals will be connected in parallel with the voltmeter called as VS. This one. If you can follow this where you will see that this terminal is actually connected with this barrier. This terminal, this yellow colored wire, is actually connected with the negative terminal. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So that we can measure the voltage across the barrier. When you are varying the knob of the barrier, you are actually varying the supply voltage, and that variable voltage must be seen by a meter, by an instrument. That is, that's why we have connected one voltmeter, this voltmeter, just to observe how the supply voltage is varying by the variation of the knob of this barrier. Okay. Fine. Any doubt, any clarifications you need regarding this experiment or experimental data?
Ma'am, the left part is the front part of the resistor.
In this diagram?
Yes, ma'am. In this diagram and that picture as well.
These two are, I mean, the two terminals of the resistor. Since it's a variable resistor, instead of joining these two, we'll join this one with this arrow. Okay? If you join these two, that means you have, we can't join these two. If it's a variable resistance, we can't join these two terminals. We need to join the final terminal with this, arrow.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the case. This is not a a simple resistor, fixed resistor. This is called the variable resistor. So it has got three terminals. It has got three terminals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Initial terminal, final terminal, and this is actually called a jockey. So it's called a jockey terminal, right? So we should connect the initial terminal with this ammeter and this terminal with the inductor. They are in series. So the final terminal of rheostat must be connected with the initial terminal of inductor, and the final terminal of inductor should be connected with the initial terminal of the capacitor, and final terminal of capacitor must be go back to the negative terminal, not negative here, the neutral terminal of the variac. See, what is the initial terminal of the variac? We have used this terminal, the arrow terminal, rather than using this terminal. As per the drawing, you must imagine that this is the initial terminal of the variac, but no. This arrow can be This arrow is movable from this
Oh,
initial
okay.
to final points. Okay, so we will connect the ammeter in series with this terminal only.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can move this arrow up to this point, right? But we'll join the circuit, we'll join the ammeter like this, as shown in this figure. Right? Or you can draw the variable resistance symbol like that also. Like you will draw the circuit like R, L, and C like this, and you will draw arrow like that. So this will also represent that this register is a variable register.
Rheostat.
So this is rheostat. This will be showing the variable register or rheostat. So this is another type of representation. Or this one, by drawing this arrow like this. You can complete the drawing. Okay, is it okay
Yes,
to
ma'am.
everyone? Please tell me if you have any doubts. Please tell me. But because after that, Nitu madam will help you to write down the apparatus table, and then madam will take the attendance.
Ma'am, here,
3:30. I need to leave before 3:30. Yes, please tell
ma'am,
me.
here it is written in step number 6, make calculations. Ma'am, what calculations?
Make the calculations as shown in the table. These calculations. These calculations. You will calculate R with the data you have taken virtually. You have taken the reading of VR and I.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
you will calculate R. You have taken the data VL and I. Next, you will calculate
And ma'am, what is that cos phi something I've written?
power factor. Power factor. Cos phi is power factor. What is cos phi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Understood. Ma'am, that triangle, understood.
Yes, impedance triangle. This is R, this is X, and this is Z. And this X for RL circuit is simply XL. For RC circuit, it is XC, but for RL series circuit, it is XL minus XC. And why XL will be having higher priority? From the readings, we have checked that VL is higher than VC. That means the circuit is more inductive. Okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
in RC,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in RC circuit, the value of VRC, ma'am, what will be the value of VRC? Ma'am, we have to just multiply the value of VR and VC.
Wait. VRC.
Yes, ma'am.
This
Ma'am,
one. This
no,
one.
ma'am, in the table, ma'am, in the table.
In the table, is there VRC? This one.
Yes,
Did I
ma'am,
show
it was
VRC?
given, but the value was not there.
I don't think VRC.
No, ma'am, it was not there.
It was not there. It was not.
Ma'am, you didn't tell the
Yes,
value of
yes, ma'am.
VRC.
Yes, because no voltmeter was taken in order to measure VRC. Okay, then what to do? You can calculate it from these two readings.
Okay,
Look at the circuit diagram. This what is VRC? What is VRC? VRC is measuring the potential difference between these 2 points.
yes, ma'am.
This point and this point. Okay. So VR minus VC is equal to VRC. But is it required to calculate the further parameters in the next table? Is it required? If it is not required, then leave it.
Okay, ma'am.
VRC is not required in the second table, but
That's why there was no connection of this voltmeter. It's not required. But in the circuit diagram, so also you leave this drawing from the circuit diagram. You are not using it, right? So we'll not draw this VRC.
okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So no doubts from this experiment. Nitudi, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so you can share the apparatus table with them. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So students, I need to leave now because I have a meeting. So Neetu madam will coordinate this class. Madam will be taking the attendance for today's class. Okay, if you have any doubts, any queries, so in the next class, we can discuss. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay. You write the apparatus table. First one is your device under test. Bolo. Yes. First one is your device under test table, na?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Am I
Yes,
on?
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
First one is your device under test. So we are using which device you are using as a test. That is your resistance, capacitance, and inductance. These three devices are which is device under test. And the apparatus, second table is your apparatus or instrument required. The instruments we are required, that is variac, digital voltmeter, and digital ammeter. Okay. So first table is your device under test. So in the first table, first you write resistance number 1, serial number 1. Name of the device is resistance. Write down. Completed. Then
Yes,
next column
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your quantity. I think quantity, na? Quantity is here two resistance are there, but you are using only one resistance. Okay. In your diagram, in your not diagram, in your panel that madam had shown, two resistances are there, but we are using only one resistance. So you light the quantity 1. Okay. Quantity 1, and then next column is your specification or range.
Type, ma'am.
Type.
Type. The type of the resistance type is, write down, wire wound. Wire wound, W-I-R-E, wire wound, W-O-U-N-D, wire wound. Next is your range, I think, na?
Rating, ma'am.
Rating or range of specification all are same. That is 100 ohms, 100 ohm, comma 2 ampere. Hundred ohm, 2 ampere. The next one is your maker's name.
Maker's name.
Maker's name is your prompt. P-R-O-M-P-T, prompt. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is your capacitance. Next name of the device is capacitance. Quantity is also 1. Type is your electrolytic type. Electrolytic type. Electrolytic type. Next is your specification or rating, that is 25 microfarad. 25 microfarad. Then maker's name is, in the capacitance, you leave the maker's name column. There is no maker's name, okay? You leave it blank. Completed?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next is your inductor. The last one is your inductor, name of the device. Inductor is also 1 quantity. Type is shell type, S-H-E-L-L. Shell type. Range is 2 ampere. Rating is 2 ampere. The maker's name is Indusre. I-N-D-U-S-R-E-E. Indusre. I-N-D-U-S-R-E-E. Indusre.
Ma'am, rating is 2 ampere.
2 ampere, bas. Only 2 ampere.
Ma'am, no Henry.
No. Next, the apparatus or instrument required is number 1 is your variac. Next table. Instrument required variac, VARIAC. VARIAC, variac. Quantity is 1. Type is auto transformer. Rating or range, that is one single phase 2 ampere single phase, comma 2 ampere, comma 0 to 240 volt.
Will you please repeat the rating?
To single phase, comma 2 ampere, comma 0 to 240 volt. Completed? Maker's name is Cosmo, COSMO. Cosmo, COSMO. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is your digital voltmeter. Digital voltmeter quantity is 5. You are using 5 voltmeters. Okay. Maximum is your 5. We are using 5 voltmeters in RLC. You are connecting one voltmeter across R, across L, across C, across RL, and across and the main voltmeter, that is supply voltage, that is VS. So you are using all the 5 voltmeters. So the maximum quantity is 5. You have to write 5 quantity. Next is your range. Type is digital. Okay. Type of the voltmeter is digital. Next is range. Range is 0 to 700 volt. 0 to 700 volt. Okay. Next, maker's name. Maker's name is MECO G. MECO, one hyphen, then G, capital G. All are capital. MECO, one hyphen, capital G. All are capital. MECO G. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is your digital ammeter. The last one is digital ammeter. Digital ammeter, we are using only one ammeter, one quantity. Type is again digital. Range is 0 to 20 ampere. 0 to 20 ampere. And maker's name is again MECO G. MECO hyphen G. All are capital. Completed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to give your attendance. Wait. Okay, AIML. Today is 7th, no? Okay. Rinita Sen.
Yes, ma'am.
Arghadip Pani.
Present, ma'am.
Aninda Ghosh.
Present, ma'am.
Aishi Kundu.
Present, ma'am.
Atul Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Marmik Agrawal.
Present, ma'am.
Shibhab Al Farazat.
Yes, ma'am.
Raj Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Shubhranil Banerjee.
Present, ma'am.
Niladri Ranjan Pal.
Present, ma'am.
Niladri, present, okay. Aditya Banerjee.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya present.
Present, ma'am.
Oindrila Chakraborty,
Yes, ma'am.
Abhirup Bishas,
Present, ma'am.
Shaurik Poddar,
Present, ma'am.
Prince Kumar, no.
Present, ma'am.
Prince Kumar present, okay. Next is Shomi Shamanta,
Present, ma'am.
present. Habib Chakraborty,
Present, ma'am.
Ankita,
Present, ma'am.
Shagnik Mukherjee, absent. Ritocheta Bhaduri,
Present, ma'am.
Shrajal Srivastav,
Present, ma'am.
Kirti Sharaf,
Present, ma'am.
Sohel Kole,
Present, ma'am.
Shantanu Kapas,
Yes, ma'am.
Shatam Bhattacharya, present. Ilhan Raza, Pooja Kumari,
Present, ma'am.
present, okay. Aman Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Pushpendu Bera,